There are rules no one talks about, but breaking them can cost you respect, relationships, and opportunities. Let's unlock 15 unspoken social rules that will make you instantly more likable, confident, and respected. 1. Never interrupt when someone is speaking. Most people listen to respond, not to understand. But when you truly listen, you make others feel valued and they'll respect you more in return. 2. Respect personal space. Everyone has an invisible boundary. Standing too close? It's uncomfortable. Too far? It's distant. Learn the balance. People feel safe around those who respect their space. 3. Match energy. Don't overpower it. Notice how someone speaks. Are they calm or excited? Matching their tone creates instant connection. It shows you're in sync, and people love that feeling. 4. Don't ask personal questions. Too soon, asking about money, relationships, or problems too early, it makes people uneasy. Instead, let trust build naturally. 5. The power of names. Use them. People love hearing their own name. It creates warmth and connection. But don't overdo it. Keep it natural. 6. Don't complain. Too much. Everyone has problems, but constant negativity pushes people away. Instead, focus on solutions. Positivity is magnetic. 7. Give compliments, but make them genuine. Instead of, "You look nice," say, "That color really suits you." Specific compliments feel real and unforgettable. 8. Mirror body language. Subtly, people subconsciously trust those who mirror their posture and gestures. But don't copy too much. Keep it natural. 9. Silence is powerful. Use it. Don't rush to fill every pause. Sometimes, the most confident people are the ones comfortable with silence. 10. Don't overshare. Too soon. Vulnerability builds trust, but revealing too much, too fast, can overwhelm others. Let deep conversations unfold naturally. 11. Look at people when they speak. Eye contact shows confidence, interest, and respect. But staring too much? Creepy. Balance is key. 12. The 3-second rule for greetings. When you meet someone, acknowledge them within 3 seconds. A smile, nod, or hello. Delayed responses feel cold. 13. If someone's in a hurry, keep it short. If someone seems rushed, respect their time. They'll appreciate you more for it. 14. Admit when you're wrong, quickly. Defensiveness destroys respect. Owning up to mistakes makes you stronger, not weaker. 15. End conversations with a strong note. Instead of awkward goodbyes, leave with a warm statement like, "I really enjoyed this chat. Hope to see you again." It makes you memorable. Closing hook. Master these 15 unspoken rules, and you'll notice something magical. People will enjoy being around you more, respect you more, and trust you more. Which rule surprised you the most? Drop a comment below.